Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I will show you how to get nitro. Because I buy the nitro. Let's go to get that. Okay, if you see the N20, press that. You can have a nitro. You have a turbo for your enemy in race. Forget that. Let me show you. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry guys, because I will show you how to get nitro. If you see the upgrade, press that upgrade. Then if you see again the nitro, press that into 20, level 20. If you see that, then there we go. It's not so easy. In here, at speed here. Look at that, so speedy. Oh my god! Sorry guys, it's so crashed. Oh, it crashed. I will be back again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and start. Gas, gas, gas. Oh, it's out of nitro. Whee! Okay, there we go. We will stop here and then blast off. Yeah, that was so easy, guys. That's why I'm getting this nitro. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.